All of you, very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, all of you. Please switch on
Morning,
video
ma'am.
mode. Morning, ma'am. Yeah, switch on your video mode. A very good morning, all of you. A parent is a teacher at home, and a teacher is a parent in school, and the child is the center of our universe. Honorable Director Sir C.A. Sunny Kapoor ji, Principal Ma'am Mrs. Shwetika Kapoor ji, and my beloved students. I, Poonam Madhok, coordinator of senior section, welcomes you all in Interaction Program 2020-21. Malve Convent School, founded by late Shri Gopal Krishna Kapoor ji in year 2008, which is governed by Sanjita Shiksha Samiti, which has been registered in 1968 and functioning in the field of education with splendid works. The institution seeks to provide not just academic excellence, but also aims at grooming young minds in building a confident, integrated, and balanced personality. The Malvians are the perfect blend of knowledge, values, and talent. Now, I would like to ask Aman Aswani to carry us all through the rest of the program.
Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me. I'm here to take you in an environment where we will be discussing about the academic and the alumni achievements of our school. Good morning, everyone. I am Aman Aswani from class 11 Science. Let's start with our next part of session that covers the academic achievements. It is rightly said, we must have an academic to lead the academics ahead. I would now bring myself to begin with the performance on the academic front. I feel elated to announce that our school has constantly been giving good results in the CBSE board examinations. In this session, 2019-20, beginning with the class 12th result, AISCE 2019-20, I congratulate Shreel Agrawal for scoring 96.4% in the science bio field. Next comes Niharika Khatri, who has scored 96% in the non-medical field. I would also like to share and mention the names of the students who scored more than 90%. First comes Nidhi Yadav from Science Bio has scored 95%. Aniket Parasher from Science Math Stream has scored 95%. Prateek Sharma from Science Maths field has scored 94.6%. Next comes Harshvardhan Singh from Science Bio has scored 94%. Ananya Sharma has gained a total of 94%. Then it's Prachi Sharma who has gained 93.6%. Then it's Mudita Sharma who has scored 92.4%. Next comes Janvi Sogun who has scored 91.6%. It's Manish Khatri with a total of 91.2%. Then it's Harsh Meena with a total score of 90.4%. Then it's Khyati Grover with a total of 90%. Moving further to the commerce field, Bhavika Vadrani has scored 93.6% from the commerce field. Next comes Ajit Singh Shekhawat, who has scored 90.8% again from the commerce field. Academic success depends on research and publications. Let's discuss the wonderful gems from class 10th CBSE board examinations. The top positions are scored by Aman Aswani with 96%. Then it's Lakshya Soni who has scored 94.4%. Then comes Mannat Taneja with a total score of 93.4%. Then last but not the least, it's Akhil Uday with a total of 90%. And I would also like to mention the names of those students who took new admissions and scored more than 90%. First comes Bhumika Chauhan with a total of 95.6%. Then it's Anamika Balot with a total score of 95.4%. Palak Chaudhary has scored 95.2%. Kritansh Singh has scored 95%. Ananya Senapati has scored 94.8%. Niharika Nimrod has scored 93.6%. Soumya Gupta has covered a total score of 94.6%. Soumya Gupta with total score of 94.6%. Then it's Vedita Khushi with a score of 91.2%. Saksham Yadav with a score of 91%. And lastly, it's Garima Khandelwal with a score of 90.4%. I congratulate students, parents, and teachers for this commendable success. It is indeed a proud moment for our institution to announce that Arpan Singh and Tushar Sharma of class 11 science have been selected for the National Science Exhibition with the theme Resources Management, which was held on 22nd and 23rd November 2019. It was conducted by CBSE along with the 19 other schools from all over Rajasthan. Students of MCS, Dishita Khurana and Arpan Singh went to Delhi in 6 schools and were selected and presented a presentation on French Revolution in front of CBSE chairperson Mrs. Anita Karwal ma'am. Also, Malwa Convent School has made a hat trick by being awarded as the most promising CBSE school 2019 for 3 consecutive years. Our school received award of appreciation from the ICSI Felicitation Program. It feels immense pleasure in sharing that in August, a gathering of around 60 principals and managing directors for a 3-day conference and education summit was held at New Delhi, December 2019. Our school presentation by Director Sir was the most applauded and appreciated. Samar Shandelia of class 10th has done many episodes of Crime Patrol as well as Savdhan India. He was also showcased on the Discovery Channel in the show Swami Ramdev Ek Sangharsh. He played the lead role in the movie Chiddi Bala, Sanskar Sankal and Panchi, a short movie. Chiddi Bala and Panchi have been selected for the Jaipur Film Festival. Now, it's time to cover the next part of the session that covers alumni achievements of our school. Firstly, I congratulate Anirudh Sharma for being admitted in IIT Delhi on his first attempt. Next, I congratulate Disha Lohana for achieving All India third rank in CS Executive Program CS examination in December 2018 and All India 14th rank in the CS Foundations. Abhinav Agrawal got 100% scholarship of 2.5 crores in Stanford University, California. He has authored and penned down a book titled as Mapping Horizons. I congratulate Jai Shivani for the achievement of All India rank 34 and Jaipur rank IPCC exams. I also congratulate Niharika Khatri, who got zonal first rank in IMO, for which she got a check of rupees 5,000. In this session, 2019-20, 10 students got selected for the JEE mains. Thanks a lot for cooperating with me. Now I would like to invite Manat Taneja of class 11th Humanities to carry on the further presentation and keep the audience engaged. Thank you.
Thank you, Uman. A very good morning to one and all present over here. I am Mannat Taneja from Class 11 Humanities and I will take this report further. So, in keeping with the changing times, it becomes essential to upgrade the infrastructure to enhance efficiency and better learning environment, giving due importance to practical learning, well-equipped labs for subjects such as physics, chemistry, biology, computer, and social study labs are there to enable the practical knowledge of the students. Our library has been enriched with huge number of books. As you know, today a reader is tomorrow a leader. Seminar halls have been upgraded for the workshops with new smart boards. Keeping ourselves up with the pace of the modern world, complete digitalization of the school was undertaken. Nexus Lab of digital classrooms have been upgraded with new softwares. Art and craft activities also provide students passion and talent to get exposed. Abacus activities for the primary sections and Vedic maths for 6th to 10th are the facilities which we provide to enhance the mental abilities. There are robotic workshops for class 6th onwards, evening classes for dance associated with buskers, event cricket academies also running in evening time in our school. We have made huge improvement in ICT infrastructure, separate computer labs for both primary and senior section with upgradation of broadband. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite Aman Ahmed to take the report further. So now it is the time for sports achievements, sports activity. Sports competition include the spirit of positive challenges, sportsmanship among the students and prepare them for the life ahead. Ample of opportunities were provided to the students in indoor and outdoor games to prove themselves in various sports at school, cluster, regional, and national levels. Students of the MCA school actively participated in various indoor sports competition and win many medals, certificates, and trophies in a variety of games such as chess, table tennis, carom, and many more. Whereas outdoor activities like cricket, skating, taekwondo, basketball, badminton, and a lot more. The efficient and experienced coaches in the school imparts professional training to each and every student. An annual sports day is celebrated every year where students of different classes showcase their talents in various sports and were awarded too. The third inter-school taekwondo championship MCS Cup was conducted by our school every year, where around 25 schools participated from all over the city with separate teams of boys and girls. It was a 3-day event in which around 500 candidates participated in various categories. Similarly, an inter-school skating competition in association with Skate India Club is also organized every year in both line quads and various categories. Now, as you all know, a 2 or 3 day trip can contribute in making thousands of memories. The school organizes picnic and excursions every year so that we have abundant of memories when we leave. This year, students of primary section were taken to Moj Mahal where the students performed many adventurous activities. This was one day when all the teachers and students together collectively had all the fun. The students of middle section were taken to Swapnalok, where senior classes went to Birla City Water Park and 3 days educational trip to Mount Abu. Thank you. And now I would like to request Director Sir to please motivate all of us with his inspiring words.
Very good morning, all of you. I think first I must invite Vice Principal Mrs. Malhotra ma'am. She is present over here. She would express her views and wishes to all dear students, right? As per the protocol, I must invite Malhotra ma'am first and then Principal ma'am, and then I'm available here. Yes, Malhotra ma'am, please take over the charge.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me. First of all, good morning to all present here. Respected and honorable our director, sir, our principal, ma'am, teachers, and my loveliest, dearest students. I am feeling proud in talking to you first time. Though we are familiar to each other, we are talking to each other, we daily meet in our classes. You know me very well, I hope so. But the main thing is that today is, I hope so, and you too, that today is the first day of the school of you people. Though it is not a face-to-face program, but we are face-to-face on online. So first of all, I wholeheartedly welcome you all. But before telling anything else, I would just like to say 4 things which we have to keep it in mind and which are very important in our life. And they are respect, attitude, cooperate, means cooperation, and the next and the last is excellence. Respect, here it is important that you have to respect yourself as well as others also. Secondly, attitude. Attitude is always we have to be with a positive attitude. This is the most requirable thing in our life. Then cooperation. Always do your best, but help others who are in need. And the last but not the least, that is excellence. It is the key to success. As you perform well, you will get. You are good students, you do very well, and I hope so that we can achieve better results with you also. And with my heartiest blessings, I would stop my words here, but before starting my words, I would once again say something for you people that is, I hope so, very much important. And the main thing is that education is our passport to the future for tomorrow, and it belongs to the people who prepare for it today. So we have to prepare for our future, feeling that we are preparing our passport. Now I am ending my words here. A heartiest welcome to you once again, and my blessings are always with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to request respected principal ma'am to please come and say a few words.
First of all, a very good morning to all the wonderful children present here. And I wholeheartedly welcome you all to Malviya Convent School. This is a very different kind of event we are doing today. We have been doing orientations every year, and we are really happy to see all of you with us in front of us and celebrating all the events with us. But yes, I am again feeling happy today to see all of you with me once again. Though you are not in front of me, but I can really feel you all, your presence over there. So once again, a wholehearted welcome to Malviya Convent School, and I would appreciate the efforts by the team, your teachers, and in fact all the students involved in making this event possible today. And I'm seeing that I'm really sure that all of you are having a lot of capabilities in yourself. Just by seeing you people present in this event, the way you have presented, The way you have been coordinating with each other, it's really commendable. So I request all of you to have a round of applause for all yourselves there itself, wherever you are sitting. At least you can clap there. So this is for all the wonderful children there. And yes, the situation is very difficult this year for all of us. All of us are facing this. Things are not the same as it was earlier. But I would like to remind all of you that children, please don't waste your time. This is the time. You are in senior classes now, and you need to recognize your capabilities. You need to recognize what you people are really good at. So you are having a lot of time. Turn this time into an opportunity. This is, I would say, for you people. And yes, the points which Malhotra ma'am has said, I would second that. All those 4 things are very essential, which you will be feeling in your life in the coming years. As you step out into the world and you face the people outside, you yourself will realize that these things are really, really important for us. I am sure कि आप सभी बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही capable हैं, आपके अंदर सब में बहुत different capacities हैं. कोई किसी चीज में अच्छा होता है and the other person is good in something else. The only need is to realize that what we can do the best. Start polishing your skills. हम सब ने इस लॉकडाउन के बाद इस प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में ये जरूर रियलाइज किया होगा that skill is something which needs to be polished. And if we constantly keep on doing that, we will definitely come out to be a wonderful person. So I request all of you that you want any kind of exposure. आपको किसी भी तरह का exposure चाहिए. You want knowledge, you want help, you want discussion. All your teachers are there. We are always there. School is always there with you. But the need is for you people to come up to your teachers, to take help from them, to communicate well with them and stay connected with all of us. So once again, I welcome you all wholeheartedly to Malviya Convent School. And there are so many activities which we have been doing. And there may be new things which we will keep on adding every year here. Like we have added artificial intelligence and robotics also. Still the team is working over for improvement of this skill. This is something very new for all of us, but very important for all of us to learn. So one thing I would like to share with you, that artificial intelligence and many other skills like IT and mass media, all these things have been added to the school right from class 6 onwards. But you people need to realize कि मुझे क्या सीखना है, हमें कौन सा skill choose करना है. And I would like to request all of you that please choose at least one thing new which you will be learning every year. So your studies, your education is something which will continuously go on, and skill will be something which will be bringing out you as a different personality. This will increase your importance in the outside world when you pass out from the school and when you start coming to the working environment. So enjoy करें, अपने friends से connected रहें. I'm not saying that you don't go and play outside or you don't enjoy with your friends. Everything is important in life, but the most important thing is you yourself. So give time to yourself. Do think about you. Give at least half an hour to 1 hour for only to yourself. आप reading करें, आप dancing करें, आप कुछ भी सीखें. But this you need to realize what you are really good at. Fine. So I know कि आप सभी बहुत ही अच्छे बच्चे हैं, and you are a really wonderful person by heart also, that I can really feel by sitting with you people. So I just welcome you and handing over to Director Sir now, and thanks to all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to request respected Director Sir to please come and speak a few words.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for giving me an opportunity to interact with the students. Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Malhotra Ma'am, Coordinator, Mrs. Poonam Madhok Ma'am, our very dedicated and student-loving teacher, Mr. Neeraj Jain, who is handling over this PPT presentation. our talented students who are handling over the and moderating the session, Mannat and Aman, and my dear new entrance, I must say, the entrance into the member of the Malviya family, right? First of all, I must say, I must welcome you all into the family of Malviya Convent School. And I was going through the whole session very carefully, and I must appreciate the effort of the teachers, the coordinator ma'am, the vice principal ma'am, who have done this wonderful orientation session. This is something unique session. We always had the orientation on face-to-face basis, but this is something which is little bit different. No doubt this pandemic had brought lot of changes in the systems, in the patterns, in the education way that we are processing with. And this is one of the wonderful session that has been organized by all the teachers, and the PPT presentation was also good. And I hope that all the students that have coming from different schools, and now they have been clubbed into the Malviya Convent School. And I must say that आप चाहे जहाँ से पढ़कर आए हैं, हमेशा मानकर चलिएगा कि the main years of your schooling life are these years which you are being spending in Malviya Convent School, that is class 11th and 12th. We will try our best that you will be able to remember these good days in your life always. We humbly accept the wishes given by you all students that we have been receiving, all the teachers must have been receiving from the early morning. And I'm very delighted to share that many students have wished, particularly me, and most of the teachers also experiencing the same, that they have been receiving the wishes since 12 o'clock night. And it is wonderful love, wonderful dedication, wonderful token of love and respect that we have been receiving from you all students. And in reciprocal, we also wish that you all students must achieve the new heights of success. May you step the highest ladder in the success ladder in your life. I was seeing and I was reminding the achievements done by our alumni students, our toppers, and I was also seeing the percentage of the students that have newly entered into the class 11. You all must be sitting over there. Your name was also called with the percentage, and I'm seeing that many talented students. देखिए, all the students are talented. जैसे प्रिंसिपल मैम ने बताया, सबके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट है, सबके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ स्किल्स है. द मेन थिंग इज दैट वी मस्ट फाइंड आउट दैट हम किस में अच्छे हैं, हमें किस में इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, हम उस स्किल को और ज़्यादा मजबूत करें. बिकॉज देयर शुड बी अ बैलेंस सोसाइटी. अब हर कोई एक डॉक्टर तो बन नहीं सकता है, चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट्स भी चाहिए, और हर प्रकार के लोग इस सोसाइटी को बैलेंस करने के लिए चाहिए. Therefore, you must find out the interest and try your best to strengthen that interest, right? It will become your skill, it will come in your habit, and once on one day you will reach on the top of that skill, right? तो मेरे बहुत बहुत बेस्ट विशेस है, बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स को. आई कैन सी द फेसेस. आप सब ने वीडियो ऑन किए हैं, मुझे आप सबके फेसेस पे एक लाइट नज़र आ रही है, एक स्पार्क नज़र आ रहा है. एंड आई एम अश्योर दैट यू विल बी achieving new heights in your life. My regards, my wishes to the parents also for supporting. और मैं चाहूँगा कि हमेशा पेरेंट्स भी आप सबको इसी प्रकार से सपोर्ट करते रहें. लेकिन आप लोगों के लिए मैं ये जरूर कहना चाहूँगा कि स्पेसिफिकली ऑलवेज गिव योर रिगार्ड टू द पेरेंट्स, योर लव एंड टोकन ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन, रिस्पेक्ट, क्योंकि उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो डेफिनेटली हम चाहे कितने भी बड़े हो जाए, वी कैन नॉट मैच अप दैट एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? So I hope you will keep into the mind what the teachers have said and implement in your life. My best wishes to all of you once again for your future endeavors. And principal मैम ने बहुत अच्छे points बताए हैं. Keep it on your mind. हम बहुत वेट कर रहे हैं. Eagerly we are waiting कि this pandemic gets over and हम face to face मिले और फेस टू फेस अपने टीचिंग लर्निंग सेशंस को करें. बट आई एम वेरी pleased to see that the online classes and the education system that has been framed by the Malviya Convent School that has been running with very utmost success. आज हमारी e-magazine भी launch हुई है प्रयास के नाम से, that has been shared to your respective groups. आप उसको बहुत डिटेल में पढ़िएगा. कोई सजेशन हो तो we are always welcome to receive the suggestion. And I will like to conclude because there is a next program also at 11 o'clock. And my best wishes again, and thanks to all the wonderful team members for arranging this orientation session. And I will request ma'am, Madhok ma'am, to keep on arranging such sessions, interaction sessions in the near future also, right? I will hand over the mic or the microphone, I must say, to Mannat for giving the vote of thanks. Thank you all once again.
Thank you so much, sir. You all the teachers are indeed an inspiration for all of us. Now, as this program is further proceeding to its end, I would like to thank all the teachers and the students who gave their precious time to this interaction session. And once again, I would like to welcome you all to the Malviya family. Thank you so much.
Thank you all once again. The coordinators or the